A day of whip and plenty of BS from the government reports. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard the BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, December the 14th. And of course, we saw the PPI this morning, another garbage number from our great friends at the United States government who have no clue how to count, let alone report these numbers, because they're nowhere near to what is of what we would think would be accurate. And of course, we have to continue to listen to them as they tell us that inflation is not what it is, because it's about 2.5 times what they admit to. Of course, we will see probably some of this change tomorrow with the FOMC minutes. But, remember that it is what it is. And one of the reasons that Chair Powell was retained was to give a kick in the ass to the progressives and maintain somewhat of control without giving away everything yet. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Trader Brokerage. Now, remember, I have many brokers, but my preference is Trader because they're $10 a month. I mean, I save $100,000 a year in commission. So certainly I'd have to be happy with that, number one. Number two, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your equity portfolio membership if you choose. It is no charge on any side if you choose to do so. There is no requirement. You don't have to do it. You can do what you want. But we make it available to you, which is certainly a nice feature if you like to have automation. Anyways, try.trader.com/Bubba. That's try.trader.com/Bubba. In the meantime, it's been a wild whip already, I'll tell you. The Dow is now up on the day. It was down over 200. Now it's up about 10 ticks. The Nasdaq is getting creamed again, down 220. The S&P is down 33, and the Russell's higher. So this is as tough as it gets from a trading standpoint. We are still long all four indexes, although the Russell's very close to probably reversing at some point here. But right now we're still long. Crude getting pounded, okay, after trying to rally and down about $1. We are still long. Gold and silver have made a nice comeback, and they're still getting hammered. Down 15 for gold, down 42 cents for silver. They're under pressure, and they're going to remain under pressure. And with the inflation data, okay, and with the interest rate hike, they're going to be even more under pressure. Now, I believe, listen, long term, you know my feelings, but in the short term, as a trader, I'm short and happy about it. Okay, platinum is getting crucified as well once again. Dow's going to test those lows one more time. We'll see. I'm buying physical, I'll tell you that. Okay. And just remember, we have a great partner for buying metals, and that's Strategic Wealth Preservation. Okay. Check them out. swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's swp.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, the dollar is flat. Okay. Which we are still long. Bitcoin is up 645. Okay. I mean, it's lost about 30,000. 645 is like, that in a windstorm. Look, at the end of the day, we knew there'd be a sell-off coming at some point. And, so now you're going to see some sort of a rally. Now, whether or not it's a rally, it's going to be able to bring it back to the highs that we don't know. Right now, we're short and it's going lower. Copper is reversed from lower to higher now, not big, but higher. Okay. The bonds and notes are under pressure. We are long both. But again, the higher interest rates, of course, is going to force them lower. Force the futures lower. That is, they go in direct opposite correlation. Right now, we are long both, and they are both lower. In the grain markets, you've got wheat lower, giving up yesterday's gain, soybeans higher, and corn slightly higher. We are still long corn, short the other two. In the the protein complex, feeders are slightly higher, and we're long. Fats are slightly higher, and we are short. And hogs are down a little bit. We're long. In softs, the cotton is higher. And actually, the cotton's kind of mixed. Either way, we're short. There's some higher, some lower. Coffee's up, we're long. Sugar's up, we're short. Cocoa's down, we're short. And OJ is up nicely, and we're short. So it's a mixed picture. Figure today and tomorrow are going to be challenging until we get this information that's going to be released. In the meantime, again, just be careful. This is not a time to be aggressive. It's a time to be careful. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner. And I do again remind you, I have many brokers, but CTG Capital Trading Group. Look, they manage all my accounts. They're the only ones I can approve for a lot of direction trading. Okay. Plus the fact that they've got great products of their own. So check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, family farms for you farmers. I wish there was a family farms for me. I'd love to have them do my work I don't want to do. But check them out, familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And our high school program at patreon.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, another winner last night in the football, and bowl games are starting on Friday. We'll be loaded up and ready to go. But until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow.